In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a FlutterFlow project. We'll go through the full process from your main dashboard all the way to permanently removing the project, so you know exactly what to click and what to expect along the way. Keep in mind that in FlutterFlow, deleting a project is usually a two-part process. First, you move it to the trash, and then you delete it permanently from there. Start by going to your main FlutterFlow dashboard. This is the area where all of your projects are listed, usually in card format, and it's the central place where you manage everything. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the specific project card you want to remove. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct project, especially if you have multiple apps with similar names or layouts. When you found the right project card, go to the top right corner of that card and click the three horizontal dots. This opens the project options menu. From that drop-down, select Move to Trash. Depending on the version of FlutterFlow you're using, this option may appear as Archive or Delete instead, so don't worry if the wording looks a little different. The important thing is that you're moving the project out of your active dashboard and into the trash. Next, shift your attention to the left-hand sidebar menu on the dashboard. This menu helps you switch between different project views and sections of your workspace. In that sidebar, click on the Trash tab. Once the trash view opens, find the same project card inside that section. This confirms the project has been removed from your active list but hasn't been permanently erased yet. Now, on that project card in the trash, click the three dots again to open the options menu one more time. From there, choose Delete Permanently. This is the final removal step, so make sure you're ready to proceed before clicking it. After that, a warning pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the action. This is FlutterFlow's final safeguard to help prevent accidental deletion. Read the message carefully, then confirm the action to finish deleting the project, and that's it. Your FlutterFlow project will now be permanently deleted. If you only wanted to remove it temporarily, stopping at the trash stage would have been the safer option. But if your goal was full deletion, this completes the process from start to finish.